cup, it ain't my, you know what I'm saying? It has a cup, nigga, ain't cup, yeah. I'ma ride like this, I'ma die like this, I'ma die like this, I'ma die like this, I'ma ride like this, lay down my street, lay down my street, big AD.
Shining like some sequins, hair from overseas, it look like I don't speak no English. I look so expensive, he paying my expenses. You the help or do the dishes, yeah, my wrist is be on fishes. Ballin' on the defense, shining like some sequins, hair from overseas, it look like I don't speak no English. Lord, no English, I don't speak no English. No English, no English, I don't speak no English. I'm with your nigga at the bank. Hey Mocha gang, it's your girl Mocahantas, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I made my new labels. Okay, so first we're going to start off on the Fonto app, and then we're going to click on the bottom and open photo albums, and then we're going to go find a PNG background. That's just a clear background with nothing. After that, we're going to add text, and then I'm just going to put BOUJEE, and then I'm just going to go in, click style, click on text, pick my color, click on stroke, pick my color, and then I'm just going to add a border at the bottom. I'm just going to slide it over and add a border. So yes, then next we're just going to make that a little bit bigger by clicking on size, and then we're going to go in and click add text again. Now we're just going to add whatever I need right there. I put BOUJEE bags because I was putting these little cute things on my website, just so it's not pictures on there. It looks more together and more cohesive. So yes, we're just going to line that up right under there, and then we're going to add a border, and then we're going to go in and save it. Okay, next we're going to go into the PicsArt app. Once you open the PicsArt app, we're just going to pick that picture that we just did, and we're just going to load that up. Then I'm going to click on the plus sign and add a sticker. Once you find the sticker you want, you're just going to go ahead and make it bigger just to ensure that it's over the whole thing. And then you're going to hit blend. Once you blend, you want it to be in the background. So once you find the one that makes it look good, you're going to go in and add another sticker. Then I'm just going to go in and find me a Powerpuff Girl, because I love these little cute little Powerpuff Girls that I found. So yes, we're just going to go in and do that. Okay. Girl, I knew I was doing a video. I don't know why I didn't have her ready. But anyway, yes. So yes, I'm just going to go in and add a border around her by clicking on border and making the line a little bit smaller. So then once you do that, I'm just going to make her a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to put her on top of the bags. But I'm going to make sure that her feet are lined up on top of them perfectly. Then I'm just going to go in and find a pink crown because it looks so cute over top of the bee. So yes, I'm going to find that crown. Then I'm going to click on hue. I'm going to go in and I'm going to find saturation, and I'm just going to slide it all the way over because I need it to be dark pink, not light pink. Then I'm just going to add a border and take the line down smaller to about like 8 or 7. Whatever number I put around the words is the number I put around everything else. So yes, we just want to add her in, and then boom, honey, you're done. Took me like 5 seconds, right? So this is how they look on my website. Yes, honey, come through. So now I'm going to show you how I made my stickers for my lip gloss and my jewelry boxes. So yes, I'm just going to go in and restore state, and I'm going to just erase the old word bags and put lip gloss, since it's the same font and it's the same thing, right? So then I'm going to just go in and make it a little bit smaller, honey. And once I do that, I'm just going to make the lip gloss a little bit smaller, just to ensure that everything is in the middle, because you do not want it to go over on the edge, because you're going to have to do it again, sis. So you just want to ensure that you have a little bit space. Keep that in mind, okay? So once I do that, I just line it up the same way I did before. Go in and add a border and all of that other stuff, and then boom, I'm pretty much done. It's the same way you did it the first time. Okay, so pretty much for my stickers, I had to take this pink thing off because it wasn't really showing up the way it was supposed to. So when I printed the stickers out, it do not have the pink over it. Okay, it's just white background. So yes, if you're doing stickers for your lip gloss, I advise you not to put the pink on it, honey, because you could not see it. Okay, it was a waste of a goddamn on labels. It was waste of labels. So yes, I'm just gonna add my cute little Powerpuff Girl. Ain't she so cute, y'all? I don't know what I'm gonna call her, but I think her name is BOUJEE. She is so cute. So yes, I'm just gonna put BOUJEE on top of the thing and line her up. Make sure her feet are on the letters. You know, you're trying to make sure that the feet is on the letters so that she's not just floating in the air. You know, she has to be on there. So yes, y'all, that's pretty much all I did. I go in and I add my crown again, and yes, other than that, that's pretty much it, y'all. This was so simple. I swear I did these in less than like 3 minutes each. I'm getting good at this stuff, and you can too, because if I can do it, honey, best believe you can do it. It gotta be easy. Okay, so yes, y'all, I'm just gonna go in, change my crown with the hue again. It's pretty much the same thing I already did. So yes, we're just gonna take the lines down. Yes, y'all, tell me how y'all like these videos down below. Make sure you comment, Mocha Gang, BOUJEE Gang. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. Okay, bye, gang gang.
I'ma ride like this, I'ma die like this, I'ma die like this, I'ma die like this, I'ma ride like this, may die my speak, may die my speak, I'm big as this, 10K and shit, just a little problem, spin the bag on my bitch, got a problem with cash, we gon' handle that shit, got a brick full of red, we gon' burn them bitches.
My haters, I ain't speaking on them. I'm blocking and deleting on them. My microwave, I'm heating on them. I'm the boss, so stop sleeping